hand rubbed and lacquered 4 to 7 times to obtain the finish so distinctive and characteristic of handcrafted products. Brass hardware and other fittings are then added to complete the process. The Victorious division of Virginia Metalcrafters produces frame pictures. This operation requires quality picture frame molding. Our molding is made from kiln-dried basswood, which is cut into long strips prior to shaping. Molding profiles are produced on a mill-to-pattern molding machine. The molding is machined and hand-sanded to make each piece ready for the base coat of paint or stain. After the first coat of stain, the molding is sanded again to remove excess stain and smooth the surface. Some styles of molding are hand-rubbed in between applications of lacquer. As many as 7 coats of lacquer may be applied before the desired finish is obtained. After the final hand rubbing, the molding is ready for inspection. Other styles of molding receive a different treatment called metal leafing. Applying gold metal leaf to an intricate molding profile requires many months of practice. Today, the best leaf comes from northern Italy, where it is made by hammering metal to a thickness of 2/10,000ths of an inch. Metal leafing is a tedious process and cannot be duplicated by painting or any other method. To give molding that old look requires an artful application of paints, stains, and coatings combined with distressing techniques. This is called antiquing. The idea is to give a frame that old look without detracting from the finish and the style of the molding. Cutting is done on the chopping machine, which forms a perfect miter. These pieces, or chops as they are called, are packaged and shipped to customers throughout the country. Much of the molding is made for Virginia Metalcrafters' frame picture division. In addition, many pictures require a hand-painted mat. Matte painters must know how to mix paints and apply them with brush or pen. Each mat is designed to complement the picture. Many of the pictures are engravings, printed from plates that are over 100 years old. These engravings are hand-colored, using permanent watercolors. Subtle tones are used to create a faithful reproduction of the original. After an engraving has been painted, it is mounted and fitted with a proper mat. Final assembly is handled by a fitter. After fitting, the picture is sealed with a dust cover. A label of authenticity is added, completing a fine quality piece of art. At Virginia Metalcrafters, we produce over 600 metal products, 150 styles of picture frame molding, 300 frame pictures, and hundreds of custom foundry castings. Our consumer products are sold through fine retail stores, interior designers, and specialty shops across the United States.